Hey everyone, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. In this video, I want to give you a practical example of how to transpose the Taylor trading zone when the original projection doesn't align with the opening price action. Now in this screenshot, notice the market initially trades below the calculated zone and then establishes an intraday low during the early part of the session. Now it's important to find out the intraday high, intraday low. Mark that in the chart during the first hour and see where prices break out. Now, instead of assuming the original zone, the original trading zone, is no longer useful, we use that as our early reference point. The entire Taylor trading zone is transposed so that its lower boundary is now aligned with the intraday low. And this is after we see that the breakout is to the upside. Now, this adjustment gives us a new projection for the opposite end of the day's trading range, and that's the potential high of the daily candle. That gives us the greatest point potential in our trade. Now, as the chart demonstrates, price advances from the intraday low and reaches the upper boundary of the transposed trading zone. The Taylor trading zone doesn't predict every price movement. Nothing can. But it does provide a structured framework for identifying the day's likely range and making better informed trading decisions. And that's what trading knowledge is all about. So learn to trade, use the Taylor trading zone to get the greatest percentage of points during the day's trading range. Find that trading range, transpose it to the intraday high or low, then mark your chart to see where the best price action is for you to get off that trade. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer each one.